guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp Web on Android phone. In the first step, let's open the web browser and go to the whatsapp.com. Now click on the three dot icon and switch your... Sorry, I have to check something. Yes, it's whatsapp.com, only this. Now click on the three dot icon and choose desktop site. Now we are redirected to the web WhatsApp. And now just wait for the QR code. Now open the WhatsApp on your phone. Click on the linked devices or just open the settings and choose link device. Then click on OK and show the QR code to your device. As you can see, now we are logged in, it's worked perfect, and this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.